Hello children, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine. So children, do you remember what I taught you in the last class? Yes, about the forward counting and backward counting, and we also discussed about the ascending and descending order. Right? So once again we will discuss the same thing with examples. Before that, what you mean by ascending order? Yes, the numbers in increasing order are called as ascending. That means smallest to biggest. Okay, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like that. If we are increasing, then that is called as ascending order. Now what do you mean by descending? D for descending, D for decreasing. That means 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 like that. If we are decreasing the order, that means from biggest to smallest we are arranging, that is called as descending. Okay, and we have also discussed about the forward counting, right? So if we are counting what? From 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Like that, how we normally count. If we are counting like that, that is called as forward counting. Okay? Backward counting means what? If we are counting in the opposite direction. Like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I said you about the rocket counting, right? Yes. And I gave you the homework of backward counting from 50 to 1. I hope all of you have completed that. Okay. Now moving to your textbook. Here you can see that forward and backward counting. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 written in ascending order. That means in increasing order. That is small to big is called as forward counting. That means how we normally count the numbers. But if we are counting in the opposite order, that is the numbers from 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That means the rocket counting, okay? Written in descending order. That means what? Biggest to smallest is called as backward counting. Okay children, that means normally how we are walking is forward counting. Sometimes you walk backward, right? Yes, that is called as backward counting. Okay, now let's see some activity is given here. Now count forwards and write the missing number. So children, when you are counting forward or backward counting, if some questions are there, don't worry about the numbers which are not given. Okay, that means for example, from 3, the particular question is starting. 1, 2 are not there. So, no need to worry about 1 and 2. So, you have to continue from 3 only. Okay. Now, 3 and here 5 is there. So, you have to count forward. That means the normal counting. So, 3. After 3 what comes? Yes, 4. After 4, 5 is already written. So, no need to write. So, 4 here you have to write. Now moving to after 5, what do you get? Yes, 6. Next 7, 8, 9, 10. Again here in the second one. So, see here the first one is different and the second one is again different. Okay, there is no connection between these two. These all are separate questions. Okay. Now, why? Because you will ask me why after 10, 11 is not there. Again 2 is there. Yes, this is a separate question. Okay. Now 2. Forward counting you have to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Again in another question, so it's starting from 4. So what you have to do? Yes. So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Again here, see here, it's starting from 0. Okay. So after 0 what comes? Yes, that is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No need to worry about the after numbers also. Whatever it is asked in the question, try to do that only. Okay, so now this was about the forward counting. That means how we normally count. But here in the second one, The question is to count backward. That means count backward and write the missing number. That means the rocket counting, children. Okay. Now you can see here 8 is there. In backward counting, before 8 what comes? 7, right? Before 7 what will come? 6. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Again here in the second question 9 is there. That means you have to start from 9 and you have to go backward. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Next again 8. So here you can see here 6 is there. So you have to write these two blanks, then you have to move to the next one. So before 6 what you have here? Yes, 7. Before 7, 8. So you have to start from 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to observe the question carefully, then you have to complete. Okay. Write the numbers from smaller to bigger. Now smaller to bigger means? Yes, that means in increasing order. That is what? Yes, that is the ascending order. Now 5, 2, 6, 4. These all are mixed up. You think that the numbers were there and one monster came and it mixed all the numbers. Now you have to arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger. Now first what you have to do is you have to find the smaller number. Okay. Now can you tell me which one is the smaller number? 5, 2, 6, 4. Which one is the smaller number? Yes, that is 2. So first you have to write the smaller number. Okay. After writing 2 here, you cross this one so that you will not be confused. Okay. Now next bigger number is what? Yes, 4. Okay. So here you have to write 4. So children, this is wrong here. Don't copy. Okay. So here 4 will come. Next is what? Yes, that is 5. Then 6 will come. So 2, 4, 5, 6 will be the order. Now in the second one you can see 8, 3, 7, 5. So again you have to arrange these numbers from smaller to bigger. Okay. Now can you tell me which one is the smallest one? Yes, 3. Now you have to write 3 first. Okay. Then you cut down this. Just cross this one. Okay. Next 8, 7, 5. Which one is the smaller one? Yes, 5. Then you have to write 5 here. Next cross this 5. So 3 and 5 you have crossed. 8 and 7. Which one is the smaller one? Yes, 7. Then after 3, 5 you have to write 7 here. Next is what? 8. You have to write 8 here. Similarly, complete this one. Now children, moving to the next page. So here what is our topic is just before, just after and between. Before means what? Whatever the number is given, before that, what will be the number? After means whatever the number it is given, the after number. Between means what? Two numbers will be there. In between what is there, you have to find out. Okay. Now you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers from 1 to 9 are written in a line. Right? Now you can see here 3, right? 3 comes before what? Yes. So here 3 is there, this number. So 3 comes before 4. Before 4. Okay, before 4. And 4 comes before 5. 5 comes before 6. 6 comes before 7. And 7 comes before 8. And 8 comes before 9. Yes or no? So that is before. So before 2, which number will come? Yes, that is 1. Before 3, 2 is there. Before 4, 3 is there. Before 5, 4 is there. So you have to see this side. What is before this number? Again, between is what? For example, if I will cover this one. So here number is not there. Can you tell me between 2 and 4, which number is there? Yes, that is 3. Yes or no? So that is between. Between. When you are sitting between your mother and father, So between mother and father, who is sitting? Yes, that's you. So similarly, between 2 and 4, here which number is there? 3 is there. Similarly, if I'll ask you between 4 and 6, which number is there? Yes, that means the number is 5. That means in the middle. Okay? So that is between. Now, so I said you about the before and between. Now after means what? After 1, which number will come? 2. After 2, 3. So normally how we are counting like that, which number will come? The next number, that is your after number. Okay? So let's do some questions based on this after, before, between, so that it will be more easier for you to understand. So here you can see blank is there, 5 is there. So here what is the question? Write the number that comes just before the given number. So before 5, you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to stop there. Why? Because next is 5. So till 5 you have to count and you have to find out the before number. So before 5, 4 will come. Similarly 8. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So before 8, which number came? Yes, that is 7. You have to write 7 here. Similarly 7 is here. So you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to stop there. So before 7, which number came? That is 6. Similarly, try to do the first one. This is before numbers you have to write. This is about page number 34, children. Okay. Now after number. This is easy because normally how we are counting, like that you have to count. So 4 means you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number came after 4? Yes, that is 5. Again, after 2, 1, 2, 3. So after 2, which number came? That is 3. You have to write that. Now, here you can see 6. Which number is coming after 6? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 6, which number came? 7. So here you have to write 7. Now what is the question? Answer the following. What number comes just after 9? So after 9 means you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So which number is coming after 9? Normally how we are counting after 9, which number will come? Yes, that is 1, 0, 10. You have to write here 1, 0, 10. Again here, what comes just before 10? So before 10 means you have to count till 10, not after 10. Okay, till 10 you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So before 10, which number came? 9. So that you have to write here 9. Okay, and you complete this one. That is the between number. So I just said you, if you are sitting in middle of your father and mother, then who is between your father and mother? Yes, that's you. So 3 and 4, which one is the number in the middle? After 3? Yes, that is 4. Before 5 and after 3. So 1 in the middle, which number will come? That is the missing number you have to find out. That is 2. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 8, 9, 10. Okay. So hope you understood about before, after, between. So this is all about your page number 34 and 33. Try to complete these two activities. Page number 33, that is about the forward and backward counting, and your before and after numbers. In the next class, we will discuss about greater than, lesser than and equal.